Okay, so I said I was going to do a video on the electric remote start system I designed after I got it finished and put together. So, I know it doesn't look good, but this is the truck I'm rebuilding right now and getting ready to drive. It's an old T100. It's basically the T100. I've got a 3.0 V6 in here. I'm doing a bit of work too. I just got the clutch and everything taken care of. Now, to show the system real fast, effectively what we've got here is that right there is a microcontroller. Now it's all on the dash because I haven't finished it. I haven't closed it up and tied everything up real neat. That's a microcontroller. That is a set of relays that I control with the microcontroller, and that is an I/O receiver for my remote. Speaking of which, where is my remote? Okay, I found my remote. Now, effectively what I done is I went under the dash, I bypassed the clutch sensor to work with the relays, and I bypassed my ignition switch to basically move in between the accessory and the on state, and then turn the starter over while bypassing the clutch sensor. Because effectively to start this truck, since it is a manual, what I've got to have is the clutch held down, or it needs to think that the clutch is down, and then I've got to turn the key. So since I'm not going to be using a key in this truck anymore, it still needs to think that that is down when it needs to be. So yeah, it's bypassed, and I'll show you it working. So here's my remote. It's just a regular remote that came with a radio I had. I programmed the receiver to use the signals from the buttons that I told it to. So I can also control each relay manually. So this relay here is the accessory state. This is the on state. That's the bypass for the transmission sensor clutch sensor. And that's the starter right there. So this comes on and this comes on. This comes on to bypass the clutch sensor. It waits 300 milliseconds and then starts this for 1.5 seconds. So that'll spin the starter for 1.5 seconds. So 1500 milliseconds. So we'll go ahead and show it. There you go. That's it right there. I hit it again and it'll shut it off. I can also control each one individually, so if I don't want to turn the truck on, but I want to do like the on state. One moment. There we go, I turned my dash electronics on. And if I want to shut all the relays off, I can hit 0. But yeah, this is a quick video I wanted to do. I told everyone I'd do it. That is kind of, I know this is probably really quality, but this is what I've got. So, yeah, thanks. I'm sorry it took a year, but, you know, 18-wheel accidents, getting back on my feet, etc. We're done, though.